How to use Spotify web player on Mac. To use the Spotify web player on a Mac, you can follow these steps. 1. Open a supported and updated web browser *. Launch your preferred web browser on your Mac. Popular choices include Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. 2. Navigate to Spotify web player *. In the address bar of your web browser, go to the Spotify web player website. The URL is https://open.spotify.com/. 3. Login or sign up *. If you already have a Spotify account, click on Login and enter your credentials, username and password. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free on the same page. 4. Explore and play music *. Once logged in, you'll have access to the Spotify web player interface. You can browse and search for your favorite music, create playlists, and discover new songs. 5. Use the playback controls *. The web player interface includes playback controls at the bottom of the screen. You can play, pause, skip tracks, adjust volume, and more. 6. Create and edit playlists *. You can create and edit playlists directly from the web player. Click on Create Playlist to make a new playlist, or select an existing playlist to manage its content. 7. Access your library *. Click on your library to access your saved songs, playlists, and albums. 8. Explore recommendations *. Spotify provides personalized recommendations based on your listening history. Explore the home and browse sections for curated playlists and recommendations. 9. Log out *. If you want to log out, click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Log Out. Using the Spotify web player on a Mac is a convenient way to access Spotify without downloading the desktop application. It allows you to enjoy music directly from your web browser. Keep in mind that a stable internet connection is required for seamless playback. Notes: 1. Spotify may require you to have a Spotify premium subscription for certain features and benefits, such as ad-free listening and offline downloads. Some features may not be available in all regions. 2. If you want to fix Spotify can't play this right now error fast, try Boom 3D in this video guide, which is a great utility that helps fix sound on a more advanced level.